MTD Network this week, where you're not going to say red button, request a quote, get some quotes for your inquiries, pop your details in there. Blue, join the network, get access to those inquiries. And we've got business going spare. I've got a couple of inquiries that haven't been quoted for. So you want some business, have a look in your cockpit or join the network, nice and easy. What's been going on this week? Well, first of all, we're going to Mac. Yes, we've got our own private suite. So if you want to escape the crowds, have a drink, have a snack, charge your batteries and just chill out, come and join us just here. Have a look on the website to see where we are. What else has been going on? Heelmans recently joined MTD Network. They've invested in a new star machine. Watch that video. You've got Mellish and their grub screws. Nice little components there. Have a look at what they've been up to. Empire, they've invested in another star machine to add to their suite. So get in contact with them if you need some sliding ahead work. And not your average gun drilling. Another article from Andrea at Honal. Have a read of that, very interesting. Now, what's trending this week? Well, Arnold Wragg walked through their machine shop, really impressive stuff. What else have we got? We've got PTFE made easy. Our friends Mick and Jamie at Tefloturn, masters of plastic. I've said it before, have a look at that. Nice big component, but they love their plastics. What else we got? High Tech, they are masters of EDM, so fast hole drilling, wire erosion, sink, anything like that. Bob, Martin, get in contact with those guys. What else we've got going on? 8-star sliding heads. I don't think they're all got capacity on them, but they have got some capacity there. DKW, so get in contact with Carl. What else have we got going on? Titan, supercars and F1, some great components. We had a chat with Stuart a little while ago now, but still trending. So that's it for this week. We will see you next week at Mac. So you're not going to say red to request a quote, blue to join the network. There's spare work going, so get in contact with us. That's it, and we'll see you at Mac.